portable air grinder is a very convenient tool, but it can turn into a dangerous weapon when used improperly.
What?
It's really dangerous to turn on the air while the grinder itself is on. He was scared.
Phew. It's not moving. Good.
Let's review this case to determine the cause of the accident. Here's the problem. You can see that both the hose and the clasp are worn out. A worn-out connector cannot prevent the hose from coming free when air pressure is applied. Before starting your work, always make sure to check the position of the on-off switch and to inspect the clasp and the hose.
Good. Okay.